Welcome to the OTOP series, and it stands for One Target, One Purpose. On every Monday morning, 9 a.m. Singapore time or Hong Kong time, we're going to share with you one very potential counter that could come from all over the world, any exchanges around the world. Alright, it could be a stock market, it could be FX, or it could be ETF, it could be a futures product, it could be anything. So stay tuned with us. Monday morning, 9 a.m. Lock on to us, subscribe, and I shall be back. Alright, welcome back to OTOP series, which happens on every Monday, 9 a.m. Singapore time or Hong Kong time and Beijing time. Alright, this is the OTOP 65, and for the week 1st of November year 2021, and oh my, we are now moving into the second last month of the year. And well, I hope all of you have been following the OTOP episodes on every Monday morning, and on the overall in this year, for the last 10 months at least, I think things have been doing well and moving good for you by following our tips on every Monday morning. Well, today, OTOP 65, we are going to cover something very vibrant, and it's the US stocks again, alright? And guess what it is? Alright, and all you have to do is spend 10 minutes with us, and the answer will be revealed to you right away. Alright, let's take a look on last Friday. Okay, well, as we have always been emphasizing at the beginning of October last month, that October there ain't any raise, and in fact we are looking for the US market to climb higher. And true enough, as of Friday close, which was the last trading day in the month of October, alright, we have seen the US triple market closing at historical high. All three markets were doing at fresh record high. Let's take a look here. Alright, Dow Jones closed at a price of 35,819. Alright, and S&P closed at 4605, while Nasdaq settled at 15,498, and all three triple indexes were flying to the moon. Well, this week, of course, by looking at the US market, we are confident that at least for the first week of November, there will be still some large companies reporting their quarterly earnings as of end September, and these three indexes will still be remaining strong, okay, very strong. So we are going to look at one of the US stock. And before we move on, I want to just quickly do a revision on what we were talking about last week. Alright, last week we actually covered 0285, a Hong Kong stock, and that is BYD Electronics, and the market actually did come off a little bit. If you look at this chart on the day chart, alright, we just want to do a very quick coverage. For those people who have been entering, I believe it will be anywhere about $25, $26 Hong Kong dollars, and Friday close was 23.15. Well, I think these stocks on the mid to long term, it is still doing well. Okay, have no fear, have no worries. Alright, and in fact, I would want to keep a stop loss point at $20 Hong Kong dollars. I mean, if the market comes off beneath $20. Otherwise, I think this market will be going sideways, and eventually, very quickly, it may be end November or December. Alright, the moment once crude oil prices started to recede over the year end, we shall be seeing BYD Electronics moving back up. And not forgetting, in 2021, alright, the first quarter of this year, it was trading at a high of 62 Hong Kong dollars. Alright, so this is a revision, and let's move on to the US market. Alright, last week on the high-tech stocks, as usual, if I always talk about FANGM. Okay, what is FANGM? FANGMTM. Okay, it stands for Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Google, Netflix, Tesla, Microsoft. Alright, I just want to quickly just move into one or two stocks. Okay, Microsoft has been flying up and becoming the biggest market cap company in the world, surpassing Apple, and Tesla also have been moving up to new high, and as well as Netflix as well. Okay, going up above $600 on very positive earnings reports. Alright, let's take a look at Microsoft, and Well, a lot of people ask me whether if it is good to enter Microsoft. I think this is very personal. This OTOP 65, I'm not going to talk about Microsoft because as you look at the chart here, the prices have been moving up. In order to trade intelligently and profitably in the stock market, you must always look for the pullback to enter or look for the new breakup to buy. Alright, so this is a new breakup here above 308. If you want to buy, I think, well, we can try a little bit. Alright, so same as Tesla, same as Netflix. But among the heavy component tech stock last week, only Apple and Amazon actually fell below the expected earnings. So there was a pullback, and I think continue to observe. Alright, that may be a good entry if you wait a little bit longer. Okay, and I think they're going to pay well. So it's not all about the Fancom today. Alright, this is just a very short prelude to get you into today. Okay, so today, OTOP 65, we're going to start now. Okay, quickly for the next couple of minutes. What are we expecting? Take a look at this. Alright, on this coming Tuesday, alright, these are the Tuesday, okay, these are all the big companies in US that is going to release their earnings report based on third quarter, which is end September. Alright, from this company, Activision, Blizzard, all the way down, okay, as you can see. But how to choose one that is going to have high winning probability and pay well this Tuesday? Alright, this Tuesday, and the date will be 2nd November. Pay attention to it. 2nd November, Tuesday night. And we are particularly focusing into this company that everyone in the world knows the name, and it is Pfizer. Alright, we all know Pfizer. Alright, look at this. I just want to quickly show you one very fascinating data here. Alright, as we know, Pfizer is the big vaccination company against COVID-19 in the world, and there's nobody who is a stranger to it. Okay, look at this. Analysts are certainly engaging solid growth on Pfizer's September quarterly report. On average, they are looking for revenues 22.8 billion US dollars, and earnings per share is 1.09, and both improvement over last year, which was the same quarter last year, which was 12.7 billion and only 72 cents. So just based on this statement itself, I think, well, we have no doubt that Pfizer is going to be the hit for this week, and we're going to cover it on OTOP 65. Now, you'll see what I'm trying to tell you. Okay, let's just take a look at Pfizer chart pattern, and let me assure you, you're going to love it just like I do. Well, Pfizer, and here it goes. Okay, this is Pfizer. Alright, if we look at this, this is the day chart, take note of this. Well, if we look at this, I think I'm not going to say a lot, and you'll make your own judgment. Okay, momentum is growing from zero after the consolidations, crossing of EMA 4 and 20 here. Well, I think it's just the beginning of run up, and very happily speaking, if, well, Monday you are able to capture a good entry anywhere in this current price, do not try to bargain too much. Alright, I think anything above $43, just try to buy. Okay, and after Tuesday, the data will be released after market close. So on Wednesday onwards, we're going to see a high possibility on price surge in Pfizer. Alright, so you make your choice on what price to enter, anywhere at 43, 44 US dollars, and I would think, well, just put your cut-loss point at about 42 or 41 dollars, and the worst could be just, well, 41 here. Alright, and I think this small stop loss range could be a big exchange for a potential profit. Alright, on the upside, well, if you have been following us on our techniques on finding good entry in the market, which is the technical plus fundamental, and based on the market news, like this one on Tuesday, which is a activist news. Alright, so OTOP 65 DW World Equity Time. Again, thank you for staying with us. Alright, and the time is up, almost 10 minutes, and Don't forget to share this video, and we love all of you to give us comments. Like us, please like us. Okay, subscribe to us and come back to us next week, and we shall share with you more exciting weekly news. OTOP. Waiting for you, dear. Thank you.